I'm gonna prove this is impossible.
I know it's fake. I just can't prove it.
It's not fake. I used to do this all the time when I was a kid.
No, you didn't. There are four forces acting: her mass being pulled down due to gravity, her hand holding up the rope, and the rope tension to the right and left. I call the angle the rope makes to the right alpha, which is 42 degrees, and the angle to the left beta, which is 71 degrees. The vertical component of each force is the force times the sine of the angle, and the horizontal component is times the cosine. Then I wrote down all the forces in the vertical axis, which are the rope tension to the right times the sine of alpha, plus the tension to the left times the sine of beta because of her foot, minus the rope tension to the left times the sine of beta because of her hand, minus her weight, which I assume she's 40 kilograms or 392 newtons. We can see the rope tension to the left cancels out. This means the rope tension to the right is her weight divided by the sine of alpha, or 586 newtons. By doing some more simple math, we can see the tension to the left times Euler's number to the power of the friction coefficient between the rope and her shoes times the angle in radians is equal to the tension to the right. For the friction coefficient, I use a generous 0.67, for rubber on shoe, and for theta, I use a generous 90 degrees. This means the force her hand is holding at minimum is the rope tension, which we calculate 586 newtons divided by 2.9, or 204 newtons. That means she has to hold 52% of her weight with just one hand, which you might say is possible, so let's look at the horizontal forces now. After cancelling her hand and foot again, the only horizontal force is the rope tension to the right times the cosine of alpha, which is 436 newtons. Divided by her mass at 40 kilograms, this means she should be falling to the right with an acceleration of 11 meters per second squared. And since she isn't falling over to the right and actually going left, this means this video is impossible. She also did post how she made it using a green man, so I'm pretty sure nobody did this ever.